Hi, Shivanya. No, sorry. Good morning, Shivanjali.
அப்படிலாம் இல்ல.
Good morning, ma'am.
You see, ma'am, she is feeling shy, ma'am.
So, okay, no problem. Later you can sing, okay, after the class hours. Children,
Okay.
children, can you all remember? Shall we do the recap of wild animals and its young ones, children? What is the young one's name of monkey? What is the young one's name of monkey, ma? Good
Louder.
morning, Nitwin.
சத்தமா
Infant. Very good. It's infant. Next, what is the young one's name of owl? Owlet. Perfect. Super. So, what is the young one's name of deer? Deer's young one name is what? Deer. Fawn. Very good. What is the young one's name of tiger?
என்னது young one?
It's easiest one. How are people forgetting it? It is so easy, no? Lion, tiger, and bear has the same baby name, cub. Cub, right? So next, elephant's baby name is what? Cow. Perfect. Super. Next, kangaroo's baby name is what? Kangaroo's baby name? Come on, Rutvik. Joy. Perfect. Joy. Nice. So yes, children, let's start our class. Everybody stand up. Kids the anthem. So stand in the right position, children. Kids the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight.
Arya, do the Kidzi anthem.
Ma'am?
No, you
Arya,
can.
okay. I thought I'll announce this today so that tomorrow onwards they'll be ready. Okay. So Arya, repeat the Kidzi anthem, okay, after me. Okay, dear?
Okay.
Yes. You are within me.
You are within me.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
You are the wings
You are the winds.
beneath my flight.
When at my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge
Today I pledge
with all my might.
with all my minds.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Yes. Next.
Very
every
good,
day-
Arya, but you have to tell in a proper way. You can't sit like this for the Kidzi anthem, okay? Very good.
Okay, ma'am, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So every day, one among you is going to repeat after me. Unmute yourself and repeat after me. Okay? All will be getting the chances one by one day. Okay? So now, warm up time. Stand up. One moment. Come on, run.
What's going on?
Run, run. Run, run, run. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump.
Why Trisha's video is off? Ma'am, check two of them are video is not on. Just check now.
Please, everybody, turn on your cameras. Please keep your videos on. Prisha, want all of you to on your videos, right? Everybody.
Ma'am, some network issue, ma'am, from my side, so it's on and off.
Okay, ma'am.
So yes, answer for your attendance. Right, and relax yourself. Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am, can you just send me the that wild animals with their kids' name in the WhatsApp group, ma'am? For
I will send
control.
that PPT, ma'am. Both farm animals and wild animals.
Yeah,
PPT
okay,
I will be
ma'am.
sharing.
Just to teach him only, since he was not available last week fully.
Okay, okay, I will share.
Yeah, thanks.
Sai Shivanya, answer for your attendance, dear. Santosh,
Yeah, ma'am. Sarah.
Pranav,
Yeah, ma'am.
Arya,
Yeah, ma'am.
Hi Priyan,
ma'am.
Manasa,
Yeah, Ashita, ma'am. Hi, Prisha.
Jacinta,
Yeah, ma'am.
Prisha,
Yeah, ma'am.
Srishant,
Yeah, ma'am.
Hitaishri. You're muted.
Yeah, ma'am.
Nidulan,
Yeah, Ashita, ma'am.
Rutvik,
Yeah, ma'am.
Nitvin,
Yeah, ma'am.
Shivanjali,
Yeah, ma'am.
Haripriya,
Yes, ma'am. Here I am.
Haripriya?
Haripriya, switch on the video, no? Video is off.
Haripriya, please turn on your camera, dear. Please keep your video on.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So everybody, please keep your videos on, off your mic. Okay? So yes.
Next one, just yeah, please. Yeah.
Yes. So turn off your mics, children. Turn off your mics. Okay. So we will start learning, children. So yesterday we will start with literacy itself. Okay. Yesterday we were learning a letter. Now what was that?
Louder, ma'am.
S. Right. So today the next letter. What could be the next letter after S? Huh? T. Very good. T. Do you know how to write T, children? Small letter T. Small letter T. See, for capital letter T, we will write like this: one sleeping line and one standing line, which starts in the middle point of that sleeping line. This is our capital T. Yes or no? Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Today, the lowercase t, that is small letter t, will write like this. Listen carefully. Put a standing line first, then followed by a up curve like this, small up curve, and one sleeping line that should cut this standing line. Okay, that should cut this slanting line. One more time I'll write it. Please listen carefully. One standing line followed by a up curve, a small up curve, and one sleeping line which should cut that standing line in this way. This is our small letter t or lowercase t. Okay? Are you getting it, children? So now let's write this in the 4 lines. I'll show. So, yes, all please be on mute.
टी लिखा होगी जानते थोड़ा बुक जानते टी लिखे देखो जामा
Yes, okay. So let's write this T in this 4 lines, okay? 1 minute. I'll write it in red color. The uppercase or capital T, we will put the sleeping line in the first line and the standing line from the first line to third line. And for lowercase t, that is small letter t, we'll start the standing line from first line, but stop in the middle of second and third line. From there, put a up curve like this. Okay, from there put a up curve like this and a sleeping line that should cut the slanting line, no? So you can put that sleeping line over the second line. Okay? What letter is this, dear? What letter is this?
T.
T. Small letter
T.
Okay? Small letter T. So shall we all start writing this in your workbook? Yes, come on. I'll tell the page number. D62 LT. D62 LT. Okay, this is that worksheet's number. So what has given behind this T, dear, over here? What is that?
Tiger.
Tiger. Children, what is the phonic sound of T? Ta, 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 right? Very good. Ta is the sound, phonic sound of letter T. See, as I said, put a standing line followed by a up curve like this and one sleeping line here. Okay, this is our lowercase or small letter t. So write this t in the space given for it, children. Start writing here.
Completed.
Lowercase t. Yes. Anybody has any doubt?
Go. Completed.
Very good if completed. Please wait for us. Okay. Yes, super. Please wait. So lowercase t. Uppercase t will be having one sleeping line and one standing line. This is our lowercase or small letter t. If completed, very good, children. Please wait. Fill your name and the date. Okay. T. Small letter t or lowercase t. Small letter t or lowercase t. So I have also completed, and today's date is, children, 28 ma. Yesterday was 27, no? So the next number 28 is today's date. 28 9, that is September, and our current year is what, dears? Our current year is what?
21.
20. Super. 2021. So once you finish writing T, please fill your name and date.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Super good.
Done, ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice. Many of you have completed. Even some of you have completed right. Very good, Sai Priya. Very good, Hari Priya. Very good, Pranav. Very good, dear. Very good, Jacinta. Yes, Hari Priya. Very good, ma. Please wait for our friends. T, small letter or lowercase t, and the date is 28 dot 9 dot 2021. 2021.
I'm done, ma'am.
You're done, Hitashi. Very good. Ritvik finished. Very good. Have you all finished, children? Prisha, baby, have you finished? Arya, Prisha. Finished, Adia?
Ma'am, I'm still writing my name.
Okay. Write Arya, Prisha. Both of you write. Completed. Okay, the next page will be your homework as usual. Okay?
Ma'am, Prisha's workbook doesn't have that, in the first page, it doesn't have the tracing thing.
Yes, yes, yes.
So she always has to write in the next page, so it will take some time.
Okay, no problem. Prisha, you complete one line for now, dear. You can complete the remaining thing as homework. Okay, ma? So I know about this concern already, right? You have already said about this, no, ma'am. I can remember that.
Okay.
So you complete the one line alone for now, ma. Of small letter T.
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Nitvin finished. Very good. Nidulan, Pranav, have you two finished?
Done, ma'am.
Are you finished? Wow, super. How about Pranav and Nitvin? Yes. Yes. Okay, Pranav, please be on mute, dear. I think all of you have finished it then, right? You people started writing your homework. Don't write it now. We can complete it as homework. We have so many things to learn now, okay? Next is, for now, literacy writing part is over. Children, what is that session? Tiger they are showing. Yes, that is what I am about to say. Everybody rush and get me an object which starts with letter T. Come on. Rush, rush, rush. Anything around you in your home? home. Get me an object which starts with letter T. So let all come, children. Later we will discuss. Okay, wait. So I'm going to start counting from 41 to 50. Only 10 seconds time. Okay. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Time up, 50. Come back to your places. Time up. Okay. So yes, now let's see what have you brought, all of you. Okay. First, we'll start from Shivanjali. What's that, Shivanjali?
T for toothbrush.
T for toothbrush. Very good. Hari Priya. Hari Priya, unmute yourself and tell me what have you brought. Hari Priya, are you there, Hari Priya?
He's not listening. Little shy till now. Not opening mouth.
Okay, it's okay, okay, no problem. But keep the camera all on, ma'am.
Boss it.
Okay, now be on mute. Next, Seshan. Seshan, what is it? You're going to tell me what is that?
Tiger, ma'am.
Tiger. Very good. Pranav. Huh? T for? Yes. Super, Pranav. Very good. Nidulan. Nidulan. Nidulan, where are you, Nidulan? Nidulan? Are you there, Nidulan? So, Nidulan, come back to your place soon. Prisha?
Ma'am.
1 minute, Prisha.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Nidulan?
Ma'am, he's showing only, ma'am.
But I can't see even the mic is off now, so I cannot hear, ma'am. T for train. Okay, okay. Super. Fine. Very good. Okay. Next, Prisha. Prisha?
Show what is it?
Teddy bear.
T for teddy bear. Very good. Even I have a teddy bear. T for? Very nice. Next, Hitashri.
Tiger.
T for tiger. Wow. Super. Tiger. Nice. Next, Santosh.
T for train.
Santosh, you tell me, Santosh, what is that?
T for train. T for train.
T for train. Very good. Nithwin. You're muted. Yes.
T for truck.
T for track. Very good. Sai Shivanya.
Tumbler.
T for tumbler. Very good. Rutvik.
T for tomato.
T for tomato. Very nice. Super, dear. Jacinta. Jacinta.
T for tomato.
T for tomato. Super. Manasa. Yes, torch and tomato. Very nice, Jacinta.
Spoon. T for tumbler. Spoon.
T for tumbler. T for teaspoon.
Spoon.
Very good. Sai Priyan.
T for S.
Toothbrush காட்டுங்க அங்க.
Toothpaste, ma'am.
இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்லுங்கண்ணா.
T for toothpaste, ma'am.
Toothpaste. Super. Arya?
Cookie cutter.
T for toy, ma'am.
T for toy. Superb, dear. So you all have started exploring the things with the starting letter of it. No? Super. Well start. Everybody give a big round of applause for yourselves. Come on. Come on, do it. So shall we all do one small hand activity, children? See, first do 2 snaps in fingers and 3 times of claps. 2 snaps in fingers and 3 times of claps. Ready? We will repeat this for 5 times. Ready, dears? 3, 2, 1. Here goes. I think some of you are now only getting, right? We will do it again. No problem. Come on, ready? Superb, superb. So after you have written, now you may feel fresh with your fingers, right? The next thing we have, children, that is a number we are going to learn. Okay, next number. So till 40 we have completed. No, there were a page, there were a worksheet to recap from 35 to 40. That will be a homework. Anyhow, I'll share that page in the WhatsApp group too. Now we are going to learn number 41. Yes, Shivanjali. Shivanjali?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you any doubt, dear?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then be on mute. All please keep your video on and mic off. Okay, and I have a bit low network, so I cannot see some of your faces. So keep it on. Ma'am will notice. Okay. D64 MT worksheet. D64 MT. In that page, 2 numbers are given. We'll complete 1 from them today. 1 number from them today. So what number is this, children? 4, 1.
141.
41, ma. Very good. See, 4, 0, 40. Then 4, 1 is 41. Okay? 41. Today, whom shall I ask to count? Cyprian, count how many keys have given here, Cyprian?
சொல்லுங்க
10,
10
20.
சொல்லுங்க 10
Come on, dear.
20
Louder. 30.
30, 40, 31.
அவ்வளவுதான் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுங்க
அவ்வளவுதானே இருக்கு. Very good. So 4 groups of 10. 4 times of group of 10 if comes, no, then it is 40. 10. This is 10. The second time to group of 10 is joining with it, then it is 20. After that, one more is joining, that is 30. Finally, from yesterday, one more group of 10 is also joining, then it is 40, right? 40. After 40, 41. Okay, dear, this is how you have to count. 4, 1, 41. Now write it. 41. As you people are become so good in writing numbers, they have reduced the writing part. 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, finished? soon. Very good. Oh. What, dear?
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Very nice. Very nice. Wait for me. Only one time is there for me to finish. Wow. 4 and 41. So once you're finished, here you cannot write the same date for the whole page. No, here you write top of 41. Write today's date.
Finish, ma'am.
828 dot 9 dot
28.
yes 2828
Finish, ma'am.
2021. Write this date, please. Okay, 28 dot 9 dot 2021.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, Hari Priya. Very good. Have you all completed it then? Finish. Very good. Very good, Santosh.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Ruthvik. Very good, Nidulan. Some of our friends are still writing. Finish, Daria. So soon. Very good, dear. Super.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, Shai Priyan. Very good.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Super. Shivanjali. Super, Shishan. Santosh, have you finished?
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Yes, Santosh,
Yeah,
have you
Santosh
finished?
completed. Santosh completed, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Prisha, very good. So I think all of you have completed it then, right? So I, ma'am, have taken a new concept for you to learn, children. New concept we have learned before and after, more or less, greater or lesser, right? Today we are going to learn something new. First, tell me. So two things I'm going to show. One is a brown color teddy, another one is a pink color teddy. So which one is big from these two? Which color teddy is big?
Brown.
Brown. Which color teddy is small?
Brown. Brown.
Which is small.
Which
Pink.
color teddy is small?
Pink.
Pink color teddy is small. Perfect, children. So if two objects given, then you can easily tell which one is big, which one is small, right? Now I'm going to add one more teddy bear with this. So three are there. Now how will you define? Say this is a teddy bear, right? This is a teddy bear. For this, the pink color teddy bear is bigger. Yes or no? Are you getting it not? So this pink color teddy bear is bigger than this small teddy bear, right? How about this one? How can we say for this big brown color teddy bear? So biggest. See, this is a normal teddy bear. This one is a normal teddy bear. This one is a normal teddy bear. Next, the pink color one is a bigger teddy bear, and the biggest among all these three is the biggest teddy bear. This is the biggest teddy bear. Among these three, which color teddy bear is biggest? Now tell me.
Brown.
Biggest brown. Which is the smallest teddy bear? So you know something?
Brown.
Smallest is the opposite of biggest. Smallest is the opposite of biggest. If this is biggest, then it is smallest. Okay? If we come from this order, no? If we go from this order, listen to me. If we go from this order, this is a teddy. This pink color teddy is bigger than this brown color teddy, and this big brown color teddy is biggest teddy from other two. So now let's come from this side. Okay, so now this is a normal teddy. This one is a smaller teddy from these two, from this one. Okay, comparatively the pink color teddy is smaller than the big teddy bear brown color, and the last one small teddy bear is smallest. If you start telling from this side, this is a teddy bear, this is a smaller one, and this is a smallest one. Okay, so if you start from this side, this is a normal one, bigger and biggest. Okay, biggest. See, this one is bigger from all the things, right? All the other things, then it is biggest. You can show 4 or 5 teddy bears. Which one is so bigger? That is biggest. Okay, I am having one more example for you children to say. See, what is this?
Strawberry. Another.
Strawberry. What is this?
Mango. Mango.
What is this?
Pumpkin.
Now we are going to find which one is biggest.
Pumpkin.
So which one is biggest?
Pumpkin.
Which one is so big than all the other is the biggest? Pumpkin is biggest. Yes, Sai Shivanya, biggest, right? So which one is smallest? Strawberry is smallest. Now we are getting know which one is biggest and which one is smallest. So this pink color strawberry is a fruit. From this, the mango is bigger one and the pumpkin is biggest one. Nithwin, you tell me which one is biggest among these three? Biggest.
Fruit size.
It's popcorn.
No, pumpkin.
Biggest. இதுமா ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கு அதுதான் biggest. மத்தது எல்லாத்தை விட இது ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கு அதுதான் biggest.
Say loudly.
Pumpkin. Smallest னா அது opposite. Right opposite to biggest is smallest. எது smallest இதுல?
Mango.
No, not okay. Which is smallest of three?
இதுல ரொம்ப சின்னதா எது இருக்கு?
Small.
No.
What is it?
It's all strawberry.
Strawberry, right? Then the strawberry is smallest. மத்த எல்லாத்தை விட எது குட்டியா இருக்கோ that is smallest. மத்த எல்லாத்தை விட எது பெருசா இருக்கோ that is biggest. Okay, biggest. This is biggest and this is smallest. Okay, likewise you can any number of fruits, cherries, grapes, everything. Among them, which one is so big, that is biggest. Among them, which one is so small, tiny, that is smallest. Okay, so we have a worksheet to do. 62 empty. Day 62 empty. Day 62 empty. We are going to find the biggest object in this set, in each set of here. Okay, we are going to find and circle it. Okay, ma? You're going to find and circle which object is bigger in each set. This is a set. This is a set. And this is also a set. From these three, you are going to find which one is big. So here, you first find and circle which one is biggest under your parent supervision. Okay? Then check with my answers. So which crab is the biggest one, dear? This one is the biggest, the last one, right? Have you circled correctly?
What is it?
Which one, ma? Which one, ma?
one.
Next one is a seahorse. We will learn about the sea animals in some time after this. Okay. Now find which one is big and which one is small. The second set, seahorses are there. Which one is big?
First one.
First one. Correct. Perfect, dears. This one is biggest. Okay. So this one is bigger than this one, and this one is biggest among all the three. Okay. So this is the correct answer. And we have one more set. You all know dolphins, right? Dolphins. So which one is the biggest dolphin? First one, the second one, and third one. Second one. Perfect. This is the perfect biggest dolphin. Right? So yes. Next. Once you finish this, please fill the name and date. 28. Finish. Very good. 28 dot 9 dot 2021. Once finished, please fill the date, ma. 28 dot 9 dot 2021. Finished. Very good. So now, which one is biggest? You got to know, right? Super. Biggest. The smallest worksheet tomorrow we will work on. So have you all finished, dears? Just circling, no? Hope you all have completed. Very good, Santosh. So next, in concept time, we have something new. We are going for an underwater ride. Underwater ride. What is underwater ride? We are going to explore the animals which is under the water, that is inside the sea. Do you all know what are the animals living inside the sea? Tell anyone that you know it is living in water.
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Fishes. Very good. Dolphins. Very good, Saishwan. Yes, Nidhulan. Super. So you all know some of the animals which is living in water. Today we are going to learn some more. Okay, some more other than you know. So here is it. Children. So this is the first underwater animal. Okay. Sea animal. Do you know what is this? It's a clam. Please repeat after me, dears. It's a clam. Clam. Okay. சொல்லுவோம்ல இந்த முத்து முத்து எதுல இருக்கும் முத்துல வந்து ஒரு சிப்பில இருக்கும்ல அதுக்கு பேர் வந்து clam. Clam. Okay, it's a clam. What is this? You all know what is this. What is this, children? Crab. Very good. And this is
Dolphin.
Super. This is a dolphin. Dolphin. Perfect. And you know what is this? It's a flying fish. Flying fish. This fish will have feathers and fly for some long in the water. It's a flying fish. Okay. What is this?
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Exactly. It's a jellyfish. Do you know a fact about jellyfish? Jellyfish will be having a see-through body. See-through body means what? You know, you can see whatever there inside it. Like a plastic cover. From here you can see no plastic cover or glasses. From here, you can see what is happening that side. That is see-through. The jellyfish has see-through body. Do you know what is this? Do you have any idea about this, children? It's a come on. Stingray or manta ray. Okay, the name of this can be stingray or manta ray. Stingray or manta ray. இது எப்படி இருக்கும் தெரியுமா? Kite எப்படி இருக்கும்? Kite. அது மாதிரி தாண்டா இருக்கும். இது square மாதிரி இருக்கும். And will be having a tail also. Tail and the horns. This fish will looks like a kite shape. A square மாதிரி ஒரு மாதிரி diamond shapeல இருக்கும். The name of this fish is manta ray or stingray. Okay, stingray or manta ray. Next, what is this?
Octopus.
Octopus. Very good. So count and tell me how many legs are there for octopus, children. Count in your word and tell me just the number alone. 8. Very good. It has 8 legs. The octopus has 8 legs. 8 legs. Right? And what is this?
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Perfect. It's a seahorse. Children. Seahorse. Seahorse. Others, please. Once you have answered, please go to mute. Okay. Next, what is this? It's a seal.
Seal.
Seal. Very good. It's a seal. Okay, it's a mammal. It's a seal. This will also live near to the water. Next. What is this? Shark. Super. Perfect kiss. It's a shark. Look at the teeth of it. The shark has so sharp teeth, right? It's a shark. You know what is this?
Shark.
No, Dad, it's a shrimp. Shrimp. Okay, the name of this is shrimp. Okay, what is this?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Shrimp. Okay, it's a shrimp. Next, what is this? This has similar. Yes, this has similar to the octopus. No, what it is? It's a squid. Very good. Some of you have guessed correctly. It's a squid. Count, children. How many legs are there for squid? How many? 10. Very good. So the difference between squid and the octopus is octopus will be having 8 legs and the squid will be having 10 legs. 10 legs. So who has more legs than squid or octopus? Who has more legs? Squid or octopus? Which one has more legs? 10 or 8? Which one has? Yes, squid has more legs because squid has 10 legs, whereas octopus having only 8 legs. Okay, 10 is more than 8, right? So 10 is the greater number, and the squid has 10 number of legs. So squid, okay, squid. What is this? Starfish. It's a starfish. Very nice. It's a starfish. What is this?
Turtle.
Turtle. Okay. It's a turtle. Correct. It's a turtle. It swims with the help of its hands and legs. Okay. And what is this? Huh? Blue whale, correct? Yes, perfect. It's a blue whale. Do you know something about blue whale? Blue whale is the biggest. Just to learn to know what is biggest. Blue whale is the biggest animal in this world. Biggest means what, children? Biggest means what? Biggest, bigger than any other animals. That is biggest, right? So no animal is such big as the whale is. Okay, the whale is equal to the weight of the whale is equal to 31 elephants da. Think பண்ணுங்க ஒரு elephant எவ்வளவு பெருசு இருக்குல்ல, அப்போ 31 elephants சேர்த்துனாதான் அதோட வெயிட்டும் வேல் வெயிட்டும் ஒண்ணா இருக்கும். அவ்வளோ பெருசா இருக்கும் வேல், ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கும் வேல். biggest animal in this world. Okay, not only biggest water animal, biggest animal of any other animal in this world. Okay, let's do the recap again. What is this, ma?
Clam.
Clam. Very good. It's a clam. Okay, clam. So please repeat the name after me. Okay, clam. What is this?
Crab.
Crab. Very good. It's a crab. Super. What is this?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. It's a dolphin. Superb. What is this?
Flying.
Yes, look at the feathers of the fish. It's a flying fish. Okay, flying fish.
But it's
What is this?
jellyfish.
Indama, what is this?
Jellyfish.
Very good. It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish will be having see-through body. Okay, jellyfish, transparent body. What is this? Yes, it can be the name of this fish can be manta ray or stingray. Please be on mute. Please be on mute. Yes, it's a manta ray or stingray. Stingray. The shape of this, the body shape of this fish itself will be different, like a kite or a diamond. Okay, stingray or manta ray. What is this?
Octopus.
Octopus. Very good. It's an octopus. How many legs are there for octopus?
8.
8 legs. Perfect. 8 legs are there for octopus. What is this?
அது என்ன seahorse.
It's a seahorse. Okay?
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Repeat it after me. If you don't know, seahorse. It is a seahorse. Okay? Next. What is this?
Sea whale.
Seal. It's a seal. Okay, seal. Seal. It's a mammal. Seal. What is this?
Shark.
Shark. Very good. All of you know about shark, right? It's a shark. Shark. What is this? Shrimp. It is a shrimp. Perfect. It's a shrimp. This is squid. Squid. Repeat after me. It's a squid.
Squid.
The squid. Okay, it's a squid. Squid will be having 10 legs. Squid. What is this? You all know. What is this?
Starfish.
Starfish. It's a starfish. What is this?
Turtle.
Turtle. Perfect. It's a turtle. What is this?
Whale.
Yes. What is this? Answer me. What is this? Whale. Whale. It's a blue whale. Okay? It's a blue whale. Come on, everybody, stand up. Stand up. Haripriya, please be on mute, dear. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Jump. Jump until I count 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now relax. Sit down. Sit down. So we have one worksheet, children. We'll complete it. Okay. D61 CT. D61 CT worksheet. D61 CT. What are you gonna do here is left hand side sea animals have given. In the right hand side the shadows of that sea animals have given. You are going to match the left hand side animal with the right shadow given in the right hand side. Already? So first tell me, what animal is this? What is this?
This is a dolphin.
It's a dolphin. Very good. Pranav, you tell me, what is this? Pranav?
Yes.
What is this, Pranav?
Seahorse.
Very good. It's the seahorse. Next, Rutvik, what is this?
Vic, what is this?
Cat.
Crab. Very good. Next, completed? Then fine. Very good. What is this? Haripriya, what is this, dear? Huh? Haripriya, what is this? Fish. Fish. Very good. Start matching the right one with their right shadows. All be on mute. Please all be on mute, children. So the dolphin's shadow is here. Okay. Next, seahorse. Where is the shadow of this seahorse? It's given here. Very good, dear. If done, please fill the name and date, ma'am. Shadow is given here. Yes, once you're finished, you can fill the name and date. And crab is here. So the crab's shadow is given here in the top, right? First one. Next, finally, fish. Fish's shadow is here. Once finished, very good. Completed, very good. Please fill your name and date. 28 dot 9 dot 2021. Okay, this is our date. Fill your name and date. Super. See, sorry for the delay of sharing the PPTs, children. I don't have PPT, presentation in this laptop, so I'm using some other laptop. So wait for some time. I'll try to share it by end of this week. All the PPTs: wild animals, farm animals, and water animals. Okay. So because of that only, I'm sharing the images. Otherwise, I would have shared the presentation. So have you all completed? If yes, show me a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Finished? Finished? Superb. Nice. Tomorrow we'll do an activity of water animals. Ready? Be ready. I'll share the materials required for that. So we'll do it. Okay? So thank you, children. That's it for today. Hiteshri, bye.